Rusty Wallis.
Hi, I'm Jessica Wallis here at Rusty Wallis Honda. As some of you may know, 2 years ago we decided to start an expansion and renovation project of our main service and quick service facilities. Unfortunately, not long after it was completed, we had to close part of our brand new facility due to COVID-19. Today, I'm excited to announce the grand opening of our technologically advanced, state-of-the-art express service and main service facilities with our new service director, Jeff Peterson.
Hi, my name is Jeff Peterson, your new service director here at Rusty Wallis Honda. I wanted to take a moment and thank all of our existing customers and welcome our new ones to our new facility here at Rusty Wallis Honda.
For those of you who have not seen our new facility, I'll take you on a tour. This is our main service drive. This is where we take care of all of your more extensive service needs. When you arrive, all you have to do is pull up and you'll be greeted by a team of Honda certified service advisors who are ready to take care of all of your needs. While you wait, you can come get a gourmet coffee, water, tea, or a snack from our coffee and snack bar, and then take a seat in our spacious waiting area with big screen TVs. Or come into our quiet lounge and theater and sit back and watch a movie of your choice. If you have work to do, you can take a seat at our business center where we have charging outlets and free Wi-Fi. We have a kids zone. Here we have our brand new parts department where we have the largest inventory of Honda parts in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. Now let's take a look at our express service side. This is where you'll come for any oil change, tire rotation, or any other routine services that you may need. With our brand new equipment and state-of-the-art technology, our team of Honda certified express technicians will get you in and out as quickly as possible. All you have to do is pull your car in and you'll be greeted by one of our friendly service advisors. While you wait, here on our express side, we have another brand new TV lounge, business center, quiet lounge, gourmet coffee bar, and outdoor patio. And of course, we always throw in a free car wash with the service of your vehicle.
We are taking extra precaution for your safety and ours by sanitizing surfaces that are touched by multiple people, even your personal vehicle, by sanitizing the steering wheel, shifter knob, and door handles. Come by and say hi. We look forward to servicing you.
To celebrate our grand reopening for the month of July, we are offering $20 off four-wheel alignments, $40 off any AC service, and air and cabin filter replacements for only $99.95.
Rusty Wallis, the king of the Honda store.